Try again. Welcome to a message from deep space. It's a game about receiving messages from space. I think after a meteor is hit. I read the description earlier in the day and just not getting to it. I can't really remember. It looked interesting. That's all I can say. I like the vibes. Autolog transcript. Alright. I am Dr. Douglas Doppler, head of materials science for the American Space Agency. Nice to meet you, Doctor. I enjoyed my astronomer, Dr. Akers. Akers? I'll go with Akers. Dr. Akers. Computer programmer, Dr. Bautista. And linguist, Dr. Collins. Oh, and translator, Dr. Didi. That's me. So why are we here? Says Akers. This morning, May 13th, 1973, we began the investigation of the world's first extraterrestrial contact. We're not alone. The first to know, says Dr. Akers. 10 days ago, a meteor has crashed down on Cape Epsenberg, Alaska. But that would, though that is beyond my expertise, meteors land quite often. What is the cause for investigation? This meteor has an antenna, from which it is broadcasting a radio transmission. A single signal lasting about, let me see here, 0.8066 seconds. Pauses for just as long and repeats again. The antenna was not added after it was recovered? Nope. Geoseismic stations detected the meteor's crash landing, then a naval boat immediately picked up the unusual signal on its radio, where the meteor was ever recovered. This is without a doubt the work of an extraterrestrial life form. Advanced one of that. The signal transmits for 0.8066 seconds, then pauses, then resumes. Your hypothesis? It's waiting for a response. The signal. What frequency are you looking at? Roughly at 1.42 million kilohertz. And we are lucky that a world-class astronomer like me is here. Dr. Akers. Is something to you? It's the hydrogen line. Hydrogen atoms, when their electron changes spin, they release an electromagnetic radiation. That's always at exactly that frequency, 1,420,405 kilohertz. That's beyond my expertise. Put simply, what is significant about that frequency? Universal constant. It's the same frequency every time? Every time, everywhere, no matter where you are in the universe. Looks like I built the right team with you four. Dr. Bautista, take them to the control room. Get the team set up on the computer and start broadcasting transmissions. What do we broadcast? That is up to Dr. Didi. Figure out what it is the aliens want to say. Cover their message for all of humanity. That is your mission. Good luck. Autolog ended. I'm already into this. I'm kind of bummed it's just a demo. Meteor OS. The vibes are perfect, just like the analog 70s. I'm glad it doesn't feel like a horror game. It feels like I'm actually sat here working. You know what I mean? Like I'm doing what I have to do. Menu. It's just main menu. Okay. Save. I guess. What do we want to say? This is Earth. I should say welcome. Not Earth? Nope. Number? I have to send a number? What the freak are they wanting me to do? Signal change. So let me see. 1/4/20 405 752. There we go. Whoa, signal change. Oh, hey, Acres, he's right next to me. Oh, it did change, you're right. Meteor isn't just repeating. Oh, Collins is right next to me. It really is waiting for someone to respond. There's really something out there. I still can't believe the signal really changed. I can. Huh? I can believe it. We read the frequency and it transmitted it back. Party pooper. 1/4/20 406 008. 1/4/20 406 008. The new one? No, it isn't. It's the same one from before. Ain't that splendid? Another new transmission. I wonder what this means. It means we can monkey see, monkey do. Acknowledgement is a first step to communication. He's just a party pooper. I agree. 1/4/20 405 753. 1/4/20 405. Oh, we got 3 of them now. Go 754. 1/4/20 405 754. Okay. 53. We just did 753, did we not? Maybe we do 755. Maybe that's next. There we go. Hey, Bautista, Dr. Didi figured that one out. And it wasn't just repeating the inbound signal. Lucky comment? Congrats. Thank you. All you have to say, no winning with you. I mean, at least he said something, right? 420 405 758, maybe? Oh. Computer updated. The tables on the left. The update. I need to reiterate what exactly is in these tabs. Open them. I will. Yeah, there's just a history of the auto log. Everything we've said. We'll go on there too. And go blah 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 blah. Yep. Stop clogging the log. Blah. Ending the recording. Okay, so this just shows all of the ones I've gotten a response from. This, to me, looks like a pattern. So 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0. That means 7, right? 1, 420, 405, 757. 420, 405, 757. Another pattern, 2, 4, 6, then 8. Hmm. How the radio signals compile to the screen. Updated it. The incoming frequencies now display minus roughly 1.4 billion. The real frequency of the latest signals are these numbers plus about 1.4 billion? Yes. Okay. We can input those smaller adjusted numbers? Thank God. Let's input a signal of 1,420,405,752. Input 0. Okay, so 752 is 0. So this would be 75. This would be 758. 75. I just need to do 754. I just need to do 2. Well, flipping between screens due to, well, your poor programming skills. I update the computer and I'm thanked with an insult. Maybe you'll see less improvements in your workstation. Don't catch me in the crossfire. Sorry, Dr. Collins. Alright. 2 is my answer. It worked. Oh. Is that it? Welcome, welcome. Dr. Akers, Bautista, Collins, Didi. I've been looking forward to this all week. What do you have? You've received new transmissions. And the frequency's changed a lot. Oh, really? That's fantastic. What did the Meteor say? The Meteor has established a communication protocol. They've started a call and response game. They send a transmission, leaving a gap for us to fill in. Dr. Didi fills it in with the frequency they are expecting. We are treated to a new transmission. Interesting. They're towing us along. What are the new frequencies? Typical frequencies have been as high as 7 Hz above the hydrogen line, as low as 2 Hz below. 7 Hz? Could you articulate on that? Well, you're in luck that I'm here. The electromagnetic waves that the meteorite is broadcasting oscillate at a given frequency. The meteorite's spewing out a wave of energy, and that energy goes up and down. Our antenna basically counts how many times that wave cycles up and down per second. That gives us the frequency, which we measure in cycles per second, or hertz. So if the frequency we see is 7 Hz above the hydrogen line, we're counting 7 more cycles in the wave per second. Right on. Why is it 7 Hz higher? Hertz is a unit based on the second, a human-created time unit. There's nothing particularly special about the second. No reason that other alien civilizations would use it, right? I am cheating. Oh, what? Hey, Bautista, probably shouldn't tell your boss that. I like how all the fonts are different for each one of them. That's useful. Hertz is a misnomer. But each signal is transmitted for 0.8066 seconds. I use that as a denominator. So it's not really hertz. You're measuring in alien hertz. The baseline is the hydrogen line in hertz. While the offset frequencies are offset by alien hertz. And you're using their alien second unit. You're not half bad. Our antenna is detecting differences in frequency at 0.8066 seconds. So 1 second in human is 0.8066 seconds in alien. I was unaware such extreme narrowband radio receivers existed. Me too, until about a week ago. Antenna reliably records down to 0.1 hertz. When these aliens are really pushing it. We can't perceive much smaller divisions in wavelength. And it's a good thing we've got one of the highest precision radio receivers, transmitters in the world. Maybe that's something to keep in mind. Everyone wants to know what humanity's first alien contact has to say. Everyone wants to know what they're like. The whole world's counting on you for. Do your best. Remember that. Will do, Dr. Doppler. Let's get back to it. Please don't be the end of the demo. I'm enjoying this. Week 1, 9 transmissions, 9 total, but 0 words. No new. Oh, so we get to like actually fully translate what they're saying. It's gonna be sick. Alan's journal. Who's Alan? Is that me? I'm Alan Beatty. Hopeful. I think this mission might just be the right place for me. I already caught on to the hydrogen line frequency, even when nobody else did. That's pretty swell, if I might add. Oh no, Alan is the smart guy that says party pooper. Batista. His computer system rocks. That's it. Dear diary, I think I'm still in disbelief. An alien encounter in my lifetime, and I'm the linguist acting in an advisory role? I'll make the most of this experience. I will serve this mission to the best of my duties. Here's Doppler. The team is off to a good start. I definitely picked the right four for this mission. What about me? Edie's thoughts. Oh. I'm excited to see what civilization has to say to our humble rock escape. Act 1 begins. Oh, we get to play. We get to keep playing. This is exciting. Okay, alright. That's a lot. But, should be pretty easy. It's a pattern. 6. Okay. 10, 11, or just 18, right? What are ideas? It worked, yay. You updated the computer and didn't tell anyone? There was a pop-up for Dr. Didi. Good grief. This way. We will not interrupt the train of thought. We can just say when we have an idea. This is what you were working on all night? Oh, yes. Another update is in progress. Respect your dedication, Dr. Bautista. New log ready? Good golly, I'm realizing this is one hefty message. 40 signals? Yeah, it is a pretty big one. So half a minute of signals then, huh? Quite hefty. No ideas. So it's just, this music is fun. There's one hit. A bit. Okay. Did I get it wrong? Maybe it's just 1. No. Is it just 18? Okay, they have an idea. Let's imagine the increment is consistent. Yeah, then wouldn't it be 18? 16 minus 2, 1 7 minus 2, then 1 8. Am I stupid? What would that look like? When we count, at some point we reset our digits. Count up to 9, then we don't have another digit. We write 1 and 0. Seven. Oh. Oh. I see. So they stop at 7. They don't have an 8 and a 9. Okay, I see. I just messed. Okay, I didn't read it correctly. So I would go 20 then. Let's turn down the music just a bit. It's a little loud for me. I like it being background. Okay, that worked. Cool. 7.5 to 7.6 to 7.7 to 7.8. No. Because they don't have a 9 or an 8 and a 9. But that starts with an 8. 8-0 failed. I feel like it shouldn't have. Well, they don't have an 8 and 9, so would it just be 100? 100. Wait, is it just 7-8? Oh, it isn't 7-8. I'm gonna go 100. Yeah, because they don't have a 7 or an 8 or a 9, so then there wouldn't be any 70s. There wouldn't be, or there wouldn't be any 80s, and there wouldn't be any 90s. So you skip right to 100. Oh, okay. 1, 2. Okay. Yeah, this is odd. It multiplies by 10, it looks like. So 1, 2, 4, 10, 20, 40, 100, 200. I already got theories. I love the sounds. Oh, this is a big one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 2, minus 2, 1, 4, 7, 12. So 1 times 2. Alright, let me try and figure this out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 7, 12, 10, 6, 4, 2. No. Yes. No. 10 minus... Yeah, it'd be 2, right? Oh no. New compiler update. What'd you do? We can name signals. Sub-0 signals. Yes. Anything below 0 is marked as a word. They don't seem to function as numbers. You can input the words as well, and it will convert to numerical signals. I'm assuming that means if we name the signal -2 apple, we type apple into the console, it will convert -2 to frequency. Oh, so -2. We're gonna name -2. Um, do coffee. I saw this coffee cup down there. File. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Five. It's just 7. Following patterns, I think. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, I'm not confident on that. So it was 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. This doesn't make sense to me. What are your ideas? Yeah, me too. You weren't looking before. I was programming. Never happen again. Don't apologize to that moody man. Anyways, this is another sequence, obviously. Non-linear, you're right. What's the pattern? I'm trying to find it. 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Hmm. You go 0, then 1, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, then 10. Not 10, it's 1, 0. Oh, it's 8. You're right. Okay, so it's 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So it's plus 1, plus 0, plus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Would we just go up another one? Would it be 4? Would it be 12? No. What's 12? If 1, 0 is 8, then 1 would be 8. 5? Okay. Figured it out. Ooh, signal -5. I honestly think I would understand it more if I didn't have to name the signals. I don't understand why that's useful yet. But I guess we'll. Oh, I never named 5. Oops. Dictionary. 5 we can name. Wave. Two, 3, 5. So there's 2. Okay, so 2 coffee, 3 wave, 5 coffee, coffee. Okay, there's a pattern. 2, 3, 5. 6, 1, 7. So 2. So that's plus 4 plus 4 minus 2 plus 2. So maybe it's that'd be minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3. Okay, okay. I don't know. I'm lost here. They have an idea? Oops. Another one. Not the one I needed. I need this one. We have another sub-zero frequency. -5. But this one's -2. If signals do not seem to function as numbers. Previous transmissions and now. It divides the transmissions into 3 separate sections. 235, 617, 14. I don't know. What -5 mean? It means a wave for me. Oh, is it the sum? It is the sum. Oh, okay, dictionary. So we can rename this to sum. We can rename this to... How do you spell separator? Tile. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 1 is 7. So 1, 4 would be 5. It. Oh, we're getting it. Now I understand the importance of the dictionary. Pretty. I have another one. How's the dictionary compiler thing working? Could you verify just in case Dr. Collins or Dr. Didi are confused? I'm not confused. Dr. Didi, are you confused? Sounds like they understand just fine. These words coming from the meteorite? No, I suspect the extraterrestrials speak no human language. We're just receiving the radio waves from the meteor, each at different frequencies. The dictionary just helps us define the signals on our end. When we find consistent non-numerical uses for a signal. Makes sense. Glad I clarified. For everyone. I don't know if we have a use for 4 yet. But you can see, so 5 plus 2 would be 7. 2 plus 3 would be 5. 3 plus 1... Would that just be 4? I don't understand what the... Because this is essentially the same as last time. I don't know why that one's important yet. Five minus 3 is 2. Okay. Now I'm confused. The sum doesn't come after. And we can just name it subtract for now. 5 subtract 3 is 2. 4, let's say subtract 4. Just be 0. Okay. So there is a difference. 5 subtract 3 equals 2. Would be plus. 4 plus 4 is 8. No, these would be 10. Because there isn't an 8. Okay. Like you're mulling on something. What's all on your mind? The whole no 8s or 9s rule. It's arbitrary, right? It's just how the extraterrestrials are choosing to form numbers. Right. So why? Why did they settle on 0 through 7? Interesting. I'll join you on the mullen. Yeah, that is. Because if they know there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, because math is supposed to be like a universal language, right? I know we are giving definitions to these numbers, but they exist just mathematically in things, right? Isn't that how it works? Then they would eventually find the 2 other numbers out of there, I would think. The 1 plus... Okay, no. 1 plus 0 is not 3. Okay. Beyond confused right now. So... Okay, so no, because 1 plus 3 plus 5 would be 9, which would be 11. That does count. 1 plus 0 plus 3 would be 4, which would then mean 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 be 6, 10, which would be 12, wouldn't it? We're getting it. Riveting gameplay. Why do they do addition backwards? Oh, I didn't even freaking realize that. You put addend, operation, then results. Backwards. Remember, Dr. Akers, what's backwards for you may be normal to something else. But math is universal. It's the same everywhere. The math is the same, not the syntax. Guess. That's still gonna need some getting used to. Don't know what -6 means. Gotta figure out. So 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1 is 2. I mean, this is multiply. Right? Multiply by itself. 3 times 3 is 6. 1 times 1 is 2. 5 times 5 would be 10. Which would be another 12. No. That's not 10. Hmm. What if it's 2 times 3? Yeah, so okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 5 would be 5. Okay, there we go. So 2 times 5 would be 10. I don't know why, like, what is subtract? Why do I have subtract there? It is backwards. So I think maybe we change -4 to start. And then separator, I think we can change to 2. I don't know if that's what that's supposed to be, but this is definitely supposed to imply multiplication. Multiply. Multiply, multiply, multiply. Looks good to me. I concur for now. Okay, so I have that one right. So start. Multiply 5 to 2. What if it's by? Should I do by? Keep it to 2. So 5 times 2 is 10, which would be 12. I've got. What is it? Alien's 8-number system. A few years back, psychologist George Miller researched what humans can cognitively handle, asking how many objects we can mentally juggle simultaneously. He found a magic number. That magic number is 8? Nope. Okay. It's 7, more or less. What's for your theory? Sorry, Collins. Oh no, the number 7 applies to humans. You're thinking that rule applies to these aliens, but for the number 8? Exactly. Perhaps they can only conceptualize 8 concepts at once. They made the assumption that whoever or whatever who received this message would process information similarly. Okay. Alright, let's... So... 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay, now I'm confused again. 2 and 3 add. That's 5. Multiply by 2 is 10. Add 1 is 11. Multiply by 1, still 11. Which would mean it's 13. Hopefully this works. It works. We figured it out. We got it. 2 and 3 add. Okay, so 2 and 3 equals 1 and 4. That's right. I just put equal. Oh. It's 5, it's just 5. Would be equals. Let me hear what your idea is. Oh wait, add. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I got it. 1 and 3 add. Sorry, that doesn't say 1. 3 and 3 add equals 2 and 3. Doesn't equal 2 and 3. And? And? 3 and 3 add equals 2 and 3. This is false. I don't have a number for that. What's your idea? Give me some words. I don't get it. 6 absolutely does not equal 5. Where's 5 coming from? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 add. There is no add at the end. We're missing an operation to make this statement truthful. I suspect we need to use another one of our dictionary words here. Let's not multiply. And, I mean, is it is it multiply? Why would it be multiply? Why is it multiply? That makes no freaking sense. Wait, why was it multiply? Being a square. Bautista's in here. He's working on the computer. Where are we? It's been our second week of decoding. Moving along with this thing? You learn why they sent this? Do they have any technology to share? Tell me you have something. Yes, sir, we do. By a large breakthrough. All ears. You have established how to write numbers. Oh, that's alright. I'll adjust my expectations moving forward. Oh, this is much more exciting than you realize. Format numbers in base 8. Base 8? They count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 10. But 10 isn't really 10. 10 represents the value of 8. Annoying. I don't understand it that well myself, but the implications are what inspire me. Listening? Why do the aliens use base 8 to represent numbers? What does that say about their species? I'll have to think on that. Great work, you four. It's been another good week of progress. At home, get some sleep. That goes for Bautista too. Tell him it's in order. Got it. I look forward to all the progress. One last thing, Dob. We've got a request. The team is investigating the meteorite itself, correct? You think you could perchance take a look at... Uh-oh. What is this implying? 2 transmissions, we got 4 words. Okay. That's great. This is a weird project. Haven't been a part of anything like it, but I think I'm getting by and pulling my weight. You're right. I only wish the computer interfaces supported color. Oh well. Your diary. I have organized the 24 transmissions we've encountered into 3 groups of interest. Introduction. Dr. Bautista insists that the title as Hello World. Formatting numbers and arithmetic operations. Pretty C, this will be unlike any linguistics and analysis I've conducted before. Hello World coming from the computer guy is very showing. 2 weeks in, and I'm excited to... Sorry. I'm messing up this bad. 2 weeks in, and I'm expecting the translation teams crack their language. Yes, I bury myself in the material side of the investigation. And that Dr. Akers, he's a funny one. He's already put in for a favor, asking if I could grab a fragment of the meteorite for him. I suppose it's the least I could do. This team may have a long journey ahead of them. I don't want that thing here. Oh, okay. Confused what the words we've translated actually mean. Multiply didn't make sense in my head, but this was cool. I can't keep going. Okay. Colleagues have some ideas for what these signals mean. View the hypothesis inside each entry in the dictionary. Because multiply doesn't make sense. At least for that last one, it didn't. I'm excited we can keep going. Alright. Yeah, and definitely isn't the right word either. Dictionary. Translator's notes. Don't have any. Hypothesis. Add one. I think gap is the right one. Gap. Yeah. Go gap. Add previous plus sum. I had it this. No. It isn't sum. Maybe it is. We'll do plus. Plus. Like that. Plus sign. Queen. Right. B. I guess it could just be star. But best. Recompile. Get a new word. I also don't think gap is right. Maybe it is. It isn't add one. We'll figure it out. 10. And 2. No, because 10 is 8, so 10 divided by 2? This might be divide. And divided by 2 would be 8 divided by 2 is 4. That's right. This is the end. 5 divided by 5 would be 1. 6 divided by 3 would be 2. They're just teaching us math. 20 divided by 4. 4. 8. No, because 20 isn't 20. It's... Well, Greek, what is 20? So if 8 is 10, 11 is 9, 12 is 10, it would be, 20 would be 18. I don't even know why I'm overthinking it. 20 would be 18. So 18 divided by 4, I don't think that's... Would it be 18? Yeah, it would be 18 because 10 is 12. Yeah. So what? 4 point? No, 4 can go into 18. Four and a half times, right? No, apparently not. I mean, is it 5? Because 20 divided by 4 is 5, but they don't. I don't think they have 20. I don't know. Not 5? Weird. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks for your input. Oh wait, it's just 16. Because it's 2 8s. Am I dumb? 16 would just be 4. Is that it? It's 16. Okay. Okay, I guess I am stupid. If it's 2 10s, then that's 2 8s, which is 16. Okay, so we don't know what -7 is. I guess it's minus. Subtract. Because 3 minus 5 is 2. This. 2, 7, no, 4 minus 7 is 3. 6 minus 6, 0. So subtract 1. So, okay, no, we start from here. 7 to 3, subtract 1. No. Yes. No, subtract 3 from 7 would be 4, and then subtract 1 from that, which would be 3. Okay. There it is. What do you mean there it is? What would I miss? -1 signal. Right, it did. Transmission skipped over it. Right, it did. I don't know what it means yet. So 3 minus 5 does equal 2. Is it -2? Is 5 minus 3? Is this backwards? So -3 minus 4 be yeah. No, yeah, because it's plus. -3 plus 4 would be 1. Okay, yeah, no, that's right. So 6 minus 1 would be -5. Go. We're getting the handle of it. We're getting the hang of it. Okay, this is a big one. So 0. I'm honestly not even gonna read it. Okay, maybe I have to. Do you have any ideas? Nope. Okay, so -3. We don't know what gap. We don't know what we're supposed to do here. Like there's no sum area. You know what I mean? Three, two. Oh, it's going. Okay, because it isn't a math problem. It's pattern. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, 4. Dr. Collins, I have doubts on your magic number theory for 8 digits. You have another theory. Convenience. Computers and communication protocols love powers of 2. 8 is 2 cubed. It's merely convenient. What does that have to mean? Okay, what's that supposed to mean? So I still don't gap. I don't think gap's supposed to mean gap. Because that doesn't make sense. Because if it was supposed to be 2 and 3, then why not just put plus? You know? Let's just try that. 5 is 2 and 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. Times 5 would be 14. Divided by 2 would be 7. Subtract 2. Divide 5. Okay, here we go. Okay. 2. We start with 2. Plus 3 would be 5. Times 2 would be 10. Divided by 5 would be 2. Subtracted by 2 would be 0. There we go. Alright. I understand the gap then. Working base 8 is horribly confusing. I want to get used to it, but phew. How can the aliens just use base 10 for us? Get used to it. It's the same as base 10, but 8. Big difference. Difference I kind of understand, but kind of breaks my brain. They say it is easy. Not everyone's computer was like you. I love computers. I think in binary. Beep boop, beep boop. Poor impression, but I have to admit I'm with Acres. Working in base 8 is frustrating, to say the least. I've mostly relied on Dr. DD through this stretch. You insist, Dr. Collins. I'll work on something to convert base 10 to base 10 numbers. Okay, thanks. Okay, we don't know what negative 10 is. Oh, wait, yeah, they skipped 7. They don't have negative 8 or negative 9. Okay. So 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 is 0? No, it isn't. Is that a fraction? Underscore? No, because 0/4 is nothing. Might as well just put 0. 0.4? Can you put... No, because then it would be 0.5, right? I'm confused on this one. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 divided by 2... 3 divided by 2... 1 point... Is it 1.4? I don't know if I believe that. So, 2 divided by 5 is 2.4? 2 point... When are we getting those base 10 numbers? I'll work on it soon. I have an update to push first. An update to the dictionary or something? You will see. When? Soon. So 1 divided by... No. Yeah, 1 divided by 10. Okay. Because 10 can go into it 0.1 times because 1 goes into it 10 times. 0.1. Let's see. Divided by 10 0.2. Okay, there we go. Okay. 7. And divided by 10. 1. 11 divided by 10 would be 1.1. No? B. What was that? Oh, confetti. I love it. Oh, achievements. I'm glad. Dr. Batista, please don't tell me that was the update you were busy coding. I imagine making base 8 to base 10 number compiler is a higher priority. Hey, Dr. Robot actually made something fun. Look at how cool this is. We have confetti now. I like the confetti. Still, base 10. When is that update coming? Soon. Can't wait to solve the next one. I want more confetti. We have achievements. Here we go. Okay, so 5 divided by 4. To get that, need to go 20, right? Is 4 5s. And then 4 goes into that. 6 times? I'd like to say. What's 4 times 6? 4 times 3 is 12. That wouldn't be 6, it'd be 5. It wouldn't be 5.5. Oh. I'm confused on how decimals work. Okay, hold on. So, I'm gonna actually look up what the solution to this is. What is it, 4 divided by 5? Divided by 0.8. Okay, why is, okay, so I understand. Wait, is that really? Is that easy? No. Wait, because they don't have an 8. It would be 0.10. Wasn't that either. Alright. I need you guys' ideas. 5 divided by 4. Oh, it's 5 divided by 4. I'm stupid. 1.25. Only in base 10. So it would be 1. It was 25. 8. Let's just go straight to 16. That's 20. Add another 8 on top of that. That would be 24. That'd be 30. So is it 31? 0.31? Ask how many not tenths and hundreds there are in a fraction. Ask how many 8ths and 64ths there are. Oh my god. This doesn't help, guys. What is... Just tell me what it is. So how many 8ths? Is it 2? Is it just 2? Because it divides into 8 instead of into 10. I'm getting overwhelmed. Okay, so 1 divided by 4. Yeah, because 1 can go into 4 times, and you add that up to 10, because it can only go to 8. So 1, instead of being worth whatever it would usually be worth, 0.333, it's worth 0.2. Okay, because 8 is 10. Okay. 2 divided by 8 is... I don't think I need a negative here. 2 divided by 8 is 4. No. 0.4? It'd be nice, actually. You would be out of a job. Hey, I think I'd be fine without this job. So, highly successful astronomer in our National Space Agency. I worked on the Apollo missions, for Pete's sake. As a gopher, you fetched Neil Armstrong his coffee. That wasn't all I did, though he is a very respectable guy when you get to know him. That's coffee order? See if this works. Oh. It wouldn't be 0. Wait, would it? Okay. How many times does 2 go into 8? Goes into it 4 times. Would it be 4? No. I'm confused. Would it be 5? Be 0.5? No. I'm guessing, okay, so it's 2 divided by 8. Oh, wait, it'd just be 0, it'd be 0.2, wouldn't it? Yeah, okay, cool. I keep forgetting it's not 10. We're not going to 10. New signal appears. We see it used in a few examples, and the meteor waits for a response. A response that proves some understanding of the concept. And here's why. They're teaching us and testing us as we progress. If we go astray in our translation, we won't get too far. We'd be forced to reconcile any of our misunderstood definitions. Self-correction system. We define words, test if the definitions hold, press on. So 5 minus 1.2 e 4 point. Because they start from 8 anyway. Five minus 1.2. 5 minus 1. It would be 10. No, because they don't have 10, so they wouldn't even be subtracting from 10 to begin with. It'd be 4.6. Am I stupid? No, it'd be 3.6 because we have... You're not just subtracting 0.2, you're subtracting 1.2. Okay. I'm the dumb one. There we go. We're getting it. We are getting it. Alright. And up here in the 8 digits. What if the number 8 is culturally or biologically significant? Biologically? Why do we use 10 digits, 0 through 9? Why is it us humans primarily Use 10 base numbers. 10 fingers. That's right. Exactly. Maybe the aliens have 8 fingers. Or 8 of something. Good point. I like how like the bottoms of the screen extend like that, like how they used to. Okay, so 1.3 times 2 would be 2.6. I think I'm gonna change the definition to a period. Dictionary. Point is just gonna be a period. Mm. Period symbol. Clean? Clean. I think for negative we go actually minus. Minus? I think we stay in negative actually. Because we have subtract, that would get confusing. So 1 divided by 4. So what's 1 divided by 4? Eight is 10. It'd be 0.2. Right? That'd be 0.2 plus 0.6, so that'd be 1. Plus 2 would be 3 times... No, not plus 2. Times 2 would be 2. Plus would be 2.4. No? 2.4? No. True, not found. Okay, what about 2.4? There we go. Okay. Oh, we did it. We're done with the day. That was kind of a fast one. This is the end of Act 1. I feel like I'm getting close to it. It's been about an hour and a half. What's new? Have we cracked the extraterrestrials' language yet? Yes and no. Which part is yes? The meteor taught us basic math operations, which I was already very good at. Let me rephrase. The meteor has defined a collection of frequencies to represent math operations. Plus, point, subtract, divide is how Dr. DD defined them. Tangible progress, I like it. Also, where's Bautista? I'll give you one guess. Playing with his new toys, I presume. Excuse me. $60,000 custom dual interface full color computer. Wait, full color? 60 grand? Yup. What's your budget? Not as much as I'd like. Anyways, bring Bautista next time. Oh, and Alan, I almost forgot. Your request. Oh, it's a piece of the meteor. Goodness. Is that a fragment of the meteor? Yep. Go ahead, pick it up. It's incredible. A meteorite fragment in my own 2 hands. It chipped off on transport. Leave it here when you're done. But this week, head home, get some shut-eye. Oh, I hope this isn't the end. I hope there's a little more. Give me a week 4. Just give me a week 4. Status, rock and roll. Good old Doppler came through with the meteorite fragment. Held rocks from the moon and rocks from extraterrestrial design meteorite. Both with my own 2 hands. I bet I'm the first to do so. I bet he went over well. 12 hours well spent. That's what he was coding. That's really funny. Dear Diary, what is the cause of the aliens' infatuation with base 8 numbers? Their focus fractured into 8 proportions. Was 8 merely a convenient engineering solution? independent of their culture, or is 8 core to their biology? How the rest of the team is reasoning through this dilemma. I can only imagine the anguish that Dr. Doppler is experiencing maneuvering through these thoughts. I'd love to treat the translation team to some cheeseburgers, but I don't know any good places around here. Oh, I'd love some cheeseburgers. Oh, I'm worried having alien rocks in the office. Really excited for a color screen feature. 50-50. Got it, boss. Heck yeah, I get to go again. Ooh. Alright, dictionary. Let's get, look at what these mean. Base 10 is here. Heck yeah. Booyah. Thank you, Dr. Bautista. That's gonna be genuinely so freaking helpful. Now it's just math. What do you guys think of divide? Divide. Okay. I think I'm gonna change gap, start to gap. Gap, subtract. I think it should be minus, difference, subtract previous. I'll just keep subtract. Negative? Also minus? Too confusing. I think it's good as is. I think what I've got is good as is. It's the color screen. I thought you were gonna give me a color screen. Whatever. Alright, so we gotta figure out what -3 is, or -3. Dictionary. 0 equals 0. Right. 0. 0. What? I don't. Okay, so 0 equals 0, 0? Yes. 1, 2. I'm confused. I'm very confused. What does that mean? I get it. I know how we solved it. But I don't get what it means. Any analysis? Maybe it will clear up in time. You're right. Good well. 0, 0. Gap, gap, 0, gap, 0, gap, gap. Equals 0, sure. 5, 5, 5. Five? It's me. Yeah, I'm lost in this one. I'd like to phone a friend on this one. Bautista, Collins? Not paying attention. I'm busy. Okay. -2 signal gap functions more for formatting than a mathematical operation. Right. But assuming this new term is similar, that that literally helped in no way. And maybe? So 0 and 0 is 0? So why do you need two zeros to define that 0 is 0? That also doesn't change what. No. For now, I'm gonna name this end. That's what the answer is. Any ideas either? Very confusing. Six gaps. Is that what it wants? Zero gap gap 5 gap 5 gap 5 gap gap. Oh. Oh. I need help here. I'm lost here. What if it's negative 15? No. Because this is supposed to equal this. It's supposed to equal this. I don't know what this means. 0, 0. Dude, I'm stuck on this one. Let me go try and find the answer. So the answer is, it's saying, I looked it up, it was like, were you just observing, you're getting the observable pattern. I don't freaking know. So the answer is 5 and 5 and. Oh, it isn't. 5 and 5 and 5. It is. That one makes no sense to me. I left them the same, so we can always go back to see their number formatting. Funny how simple some of these look once the hydrogen line is subtracted. I learned base 10. All part of the job. I have no idea. Okay, so 0 and 0, 1 and 1, 2 and 2. 2, 3 and 3. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4. How far do you want me to go? That's not it? 0? Is it 1 plus 1 is 2? 2 plus 2 is 4 maybe? Is it 4? And 4 and 4 gap and I'm losing my mind with this one. I don't know what this means. I don't know what -3 means. I mean, the pattern would be 3, right? 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. No? Okay, it was. Thought I put that. Oh, it is not. Not easy to me. I do not know what this means. 0, is it just repeat? 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3? To put a pin on its definition. Me too. What if we miss the core of its meaning? It would be stranded in translation later. That's what scares me. Alright. 0 and 0, 0 and 1, 0 and 2, 0 and... So it's 0 and 3. My bad. 0 and 3. Is it 3 and 0? No, it's 0 and 3. I've seen this transmission before. And 3 transmissions ago. Good catch, I had noticed. That's why they called me Eagle Eye Allen. No one calls you that. Hey, could have been true. Sorry, Dr. Akers, I have my doubts too. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. Oh, I forget what it is. What was it? I'll just go back. Log. Log. Missions. 3 and 3. Update. Pista, must we play this game every time? Still it. What's the update? Calculator. Quite rudimentary. Use another calculator. I do not blame you. This is appreciated as always. It actually is pretty useful. That might be. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 2, 2. This goes up. This one goes up by 2. This one goes up by 2. That one goes up by 1. So it's 0, 0, 1, 2, 2. Which would then be 4, 5. So it would be 5 and 6. No, it wouldn't be. It'd be 3 and 6. My bad. I don't know where I got 5 from. But adding to 4 instead. Oh. Oh, we spent a while with this signal. Starting to think once we get to -9, it'll be all done. 9 is probably our last signal. If we get that, we'll probably have a full set of 10. If not, if all this meteor contained was a set of math problems, I'd be less than thrilled. Okay, $20, this is the last signal. No, Dr. Akers, I'm not normally on the wager. Never stop a fool from parting ways with his money. Good point. You have a deal, Akers. 0, 0, 1. Going down by a quarter. This one's going up by 1. But not anymore. No, it's going up by 3/4. Okay. Up by 3/4 and then up by 1. So It would be 3.75 gap 6. 3.75 gap 6. No. What did I miss there? Let's check in Bautista. We're still on base 10 now, right? Executive numerical signals are what's that word? Concatenated? Concatenated? What does that mean? I'll not hold my breath. Okay, I mean still, that doesn't really help me. So, I mean yeah, it goes up 0. So this one is this one, it goes up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0 goes up by 0.75, so 75, 1.5, 2.25, 2.75. Am I what did I do wrong? Do I have to put end? Alright, I got some progress. Take a look at the first numbers of each pairing. The number for each end. Incrementing by 1. Yes. Yeah. It's fine to guess, but there's more. Each second number, they're increasing in pattern 2. 0.75, yeah. Is that not literally exactly what I just did? Not stupid, right? 3.75 by 1. 3.75, yeah, 6. That's what I'm doing. Am I stupid? No, I'm not. Because that's 5 plus that. What am I doing wrong? Do I just have to do 3.75? Okay. Oh my god. I went too crazy with it. Leave you owe Dr. Collins $20. I know. Here. Picture doing business. Sweating. That one, I wouldn't say annoyed me, but... What's negative 11? Pattern. 0 equals 2. No, it doesn't. Sorry, no, it doesn't. 0 does not equal 2. What does this mean? Just adding the previous... I think it's a constant, maybe? We'll just do constant. Constant for now. I don't know if that's like the right word for it. The constant equals 0. The constant 0 equals 2. So constant 0 plus 1 is 3 because it's 2. The constant 0 times 3 would be 6 because that's times 2. 2 times 3 rather. Constant 0 divided by 2 would be 1. There you go. Constant 0 subtracted by 2 would be 0. So constant 1 equals 5. Constant 0 plus constant 1 equals 5. No, equals 7, sorry. There we go. So constant 0 equals 0. Constant 1 equals 3. Constant 2 equals 2. Constant 0 and constant 1. No, constant 0 plus constant 1 equals 3, yes. Constant 0 plus constant 2 equals 2. Yes. Okay, what's the last one? Constant 1 times constant 2. Constant 2 is 2, constant 1 is 3, right? So 3 times 2 is 6. Or I don't really want to scroll all the way back up there. Constant 1 plus constant 0 is 8. Constant 1 is 5, which means constant 0 is 3. Constant 0 is 3. Pardon me, Bautista, but this calculator contains operations that are beyond my expertise. But you don't know sine and cosine? That's easy stuff. There's the radio astronomer that works with sine and cosine every day. Let's hope we never have to use those operations. Might not. It's just a calculator. Could be handy. If anything's too scary, you'll always have an astronomer extraordinaire to help. What are you signed for? Dr. G, to you too? Oh, here we go. I wonder if negative 11 is the last new signal. Maybe we'll find negative 9 soon and be done. You have another wager, Dr. Akers? Oh no, I learned my lesson. Okay. Constant 0 times 2 equals constant 1. Constant 0 is 4. So 4 times 2 is 8, so constant 1 is 8. Zero equals constant 1 plus constant 2. Constant 1 is 2. 2 is 4, so constant 0 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. I'm getting the hang of it. The end of week 4. Lots of math. Well, much more math than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more of like a installation game, like I'm going to decipher what these aliens are saying. Maybe it'll get to that point, but thanks for finally joining us, Dr. Bautista. Where are we? Tell us how to solve energy yet? Tell us why the meteor's here? Is it because we went to the moon? Oh man, Kubrick was right. We went to the moon, set off a galactic tripwire. Hold on. I'll contact the agency and get a mission to Jupiter underway. To Doppler, with all due respect. Getting ahead of myself. Apologies. What do you need? Actually, I have something for you for. Oh, I thought it was going to be cheeseburgers. Let's add cheeseburgers. I see 4 yellow wrappers on this table. 5. 5 different members. Trophy. High School Orange County 1965 County Champions, football champions. A football trophy. Well, I get it, because we hit it out of this world. Or wait, no, we hit it out of the park or something. Not poor Dr. Akers. Employee of the Week trophy. You four have worked so hard, but I figured it would raise morale to reward particularly exceptional performance. And this week, one of you has. Oh, Doc, that's too kind. Yes, if you insist, I will graciously. Dr. Bautista, you're so right. Thank you, Dr. Doppler. I am honored. Congrats, Dr. Bautista, for your contributions to working on the computer system. Updating the system so it offsets the signal frequencies by the baseline, hydrogen line. Right, the hydrogen line. Updating to implement a dictionary and other helpful tools. Your work has been invaluable. You are Employee of the Week. I will take good care of this. Actually, leave it here. It's gotta stay here. Top secret, will do. Before we depart, I got a request for you four. Next week, I'd like to see sketches of how you picture the aliens. I don't know what you think they look like. Oh, I don't know, Dr. Doppler. I'm no artist. I'm just a linguist. To put it, I'm not expecting anything grand. Just a sketch is all. Anyway, good night, you four. Does that periodic table mean anything? There's like certain ones on it that are squared out, like circled. Algernon bothered. The Employee of the Week snub stinks. Guess there's always next week. Batista's log. Much to do, little time. Dear Diary, the aliens have begun associating information, data, and numbers with each other. Rather, I should say the aliens' meteor transmissions have begun grouping information. Regardless, what next steps will they take? Patience is a virtue, huh? Progress will come. Mine. Oh, that. Oh, all caps. That week. Super confusing, but I eventually got the handle of it. Not sure what -3 means. We get to keep going. One plus 2 is 3. Three plus 4 is 7. Oh, this means 3 plus 4. Is it not just 7? It is. Another update. I'll take a wild guess and say you've never had to write patch notes before? No. Why is it you ask? Oh, nothing. Tell us what's new. Input and output are inlined now. Perfect. We don't have to put entries in separate lines? Mm-hmm. That's actually pretty sweet. Anything else we should know? Formatting settings are available for each dictionary entry. In the dictionary. Open one and entry's notes. Thank you, Dr. Bautista. Getting another one. Why not? Yep, there we go. What are we even looking at? Radio frequencies values offset by 1.4 billion. Okay, whatever. Let's get back on track. Is it 0? Does this mean 0? go to dictionary. What do you think and means? Together, associate, group? And? Maybe I just put and? Constant? And? In what way, Dr. DD? What do you mean, in what way? Dr. DD means and to group some stuff together. Understood. Very well. Carry on. Constant. What does this mean? I think X variable. X is actually really good. I kind of like thing. Go variable. Or, I mean, constant is... Constant just isn't the right word. I guess we'll go variable. I'm gonna just go with 0. 0 equals 0. 0 equals 0. 0. Two and 3. Okay, no. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Yes. 0 equals -6. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. What? It would be 7, right? No. Wait, what minus 5 would give you -6? No. What 5 minus what? It'd be -11, right? -11? It's been 2 hours. It's been 2 hours before we get into week whatever it is, 5. I'm gonna call it. I thought this demo was gonna be a lot shorter. I'm glad it isn't. I'm enjoying it a lot, but we'll save here. I genuinely really like this game. The puzzles are fun, the vibes are fun, the story is interesting. If I do keep playing this, it will be on stream. Probably. And if it is on stream, you can still find it in a playlist on my channel. You'll find every series I do that is more than one episode has its own playlist. So just go scroll playlists or search and you'll probably find it. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. Twitch link is probably in my bio if you want to try and catch me streaming it one day. Let's see. In a week. It comes out in a week, and I have to finish this demo, so. Alrighty, thanks for hanging out for a little bit. I will talk to you guys later.